Welcome to BizPlanA. I'm just going to show you a very brief overview of the BizPlanA functionality. BizPlanA is a workforce management software that is very flexible and very easy to use. Let me just log on securely. As you log on, you come to the dashboard. Dashboard has two parts: a diary system and then a summary of all the events that you have planned. You can learn more about the dashboard functionality and any other functionality that we cover here in any of our training videos that is posted on our YouTube channel. One key information on the dashboard is the status of each of the event. And you have at the end a set of buttons that allow you to manage these events. The scheduler functionality is a multi-dimensional calendar that is used to plan every event. Basically, you can just drag and select the employee and select the service, and then you save. The copy schedule functionality here, which I'm going to show you very quickly, enables you to copy one schedule from one week to the other, so that you do not have to start afresh on the following week. You can just start from a schedule that you've already completed and make amendments. Very useful functionality to save time. Before you do the scheduling, next to it you have the availability, which you can set for each worker or employee beforehand. As an example, this shows a very colorful availability system. Basically the red, amber, green system. Green means available, red not available, and amber a tentative, may be available. But this just come as warning, but don't stop you from progressing or assigning employees. Once you finish with the scheduling, you can now generate timesheets. You generate timesheets, but also generate rotas. Rotas basically give you the list of events that an employee will be carrying on. It is just a timesheet with a column at the end for the client to sign. And you can easily send it by email by just clicking all these options and just clicking on the button that says send rota. Similarly, the timesheet is just another timesheet format, different from the rota format, which you can also send, if you so wish, by clicking the send button to your employees. Once the employee have carried out the work, they will come back with their timesheets or send it by post. And one of your staff can just verify the signature and then select the approved option here to get a timesheet approved in order to process to invoices. By clicking the invoicing menu, you come to the list of invoices. Here you can generate new invoices. You can process new manual invoices. You can export invoices to an accounting package. You can collect payments when an invoice has been paid. You can email an invoice to the client, or you can print and send it by post. As you can see, there is a complete itemization of that invoice. Once you've done the invoices functionality, you are now in a position to generate a payroll for your employees. And again, this calculates what is due to the employee in terms of the hours, but also in terms of the mileage. and you can export it to any payroll package. The data capture functionality enables you to set up the data that you need to calculate the timesheets, for instance, the employee rates. Here you can enter all the rates that you need to calculate the employee timesheet and the employee payroll. Similarly, on the clients menu, you can also enter the prices for the client and the sort of services they want to be offered. Just to end this demo, I'm just going to show you a very useful functionality on the user settings. You can assign a role to each user. Basically, this is a security feature. Not all users have to have the same roles. You can restrict the financial screens to only certain users and the administration screens to other users. This keeps your data secure. There's a lot more to show you on BizPlanA, but as you can see, it's a very flexible system, very easy to set up and very easy to use. And we are one of the most affordable systems on the market today. Please contact us, and thank you for listening to our videos. Thank you and goodbye.